If you want to move data to or from your memory card on the Motorola Moto G56, then in that case we can use the Files app by Google, which we can find in the Google folder in App Drawer. In my case, it is over here. Now, we have two options. We can either go through categories in order to find whatever we want to transfer, or we can just go to one of the storages, either the internal storage if you want to transfer to a memory card, or the SD card storage if you want to transfer something from your memory card. In my case, let me go to downloads, for example, and if I want to transfer something, I can, let's say, press and hold my finger on the file, and then I can select multiple items at once. So let's say I'm gonna choose all these three files that I have here. Next, we can tap on these three dots that we have in the top right corner and choose Move To. So I know that these items I have on my internal storage, so if I want to move to the memory card, then of course I need to choose SD card. But if you transfer something from the SD card and you want to transfer to your phone storage, then of course, in that case, we need to choose internal storage. After that, we need to choose where exactly we want to place our file. We have the list of all folders that we have on our storage. So let's say I'm gonna choose this DCIM folder, and then I can decide to, for example, move here. You can also create a new folder if needed. But once you do that, your files should be immediately moved after that. So that's pretty much it. This is how it works. And if you want to transfer something from your memory card, then you might not be able to find it in downloads, but you can definitely, in this case, for example, use images. And you can also tell which file is saved on the memory card, because we have this icon right next to the file size. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.